from UST. So, we're very excited to complete this season kasi nga, mas marami yung teams na kasali. And kasi nagko-competing kami from Division 1 Division 2. And syempre, mas maraming exposure para sa mga bata. Syempre, ang goal din namin is makapasok muna sa quarterfinals up to semi-finals. So, we're very excited kasi mas maraming games and mas maraming exposure para sa mga.
Good afternoon from Championship po. Very grateful kami always for the invitation. And looking forward po sa exposure ng mga kids and good experience. Good learning experience na makukuha nila sa inyo. Thank you.
Good afternoon from Canosa Academy Lipa. So we are one of the provincial joiner, and it is both an honor and pride to our community to join in this elite volleyball league. And also this is our comeback for a few years being silent for the V-League, and we are very excited with our new breed of grassroots players. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone from UPIS. Of course, besides being the goal of each of the coaches, we want to build mentally tough and physically tough players. What we want, main goal is for them to be successful in life. And through sports, we do it. Thank you very much.
Magandang hapon po. Ito po yung magandang opportunity and exposure siguro sa lahat ng team dito. Bilang pa.
From KMS, Kings Montessori School po. Una is to improve pa namin yung aming mga players, exposure, and yung kanilang toughness sa paglalaro. Pag pressure game kasi, lalo yung mga pressure game yan, kung paano nila i-handle yung character nila, attitude, kahit matalo manalo, yun. Doon namin malalaman magating sa iba pa namin tournament kung kaya nila i-handle. Yun lang po, yung pinaka-goal namin dito is ma-develop namin yung character nila. Thank you.
Last.
Good afternoon everyone. From DPU Diliman. Ano lang po sa akin? Sisipagan lang po namin araw-araw sa training. Alam lang kami sa sistema namin, yung goal namin sa game. Yung goal namin ngayon, kasama sa top 4 kasi last year hindi kami nakasama. So, goal namin ngayon sana sali.
Thank you po.